fucking deleted the last video that I made. Now I gotta do it all over again. I mean, it's not that big a deal, but you missed some juicy shit. Whatever. Oh, it's a new shovel. I haven't seen that one before. Well, that's okay. Anyways, I got some groundbreaking shit. Got the big blue here, the 230, TTR 230. Take a guess. You might know what it is. You might not know what it is. But we got us an upgrade. But boom! Fucking God damn it! Fucking bullshit. Shut the fuck up. Oh my fuck. Fuck you. Where you going, bitch? Get your fuck motherfucker. Hey, hey. Where the hell you think you're going? Yeah, get your stupid ass out of here. Rhea. Rhea. You fucking retard. Thank you, fucking annoying. But yeah, got some fucking handguards. Oh, and you missed the part where I chopped my thing off. It's usually like long and shit comes out. But this is actually a valve stem cover. And I cut it to where it would go onto here. And now it looks fucking badass. I'll just spit all over my seat. Anywho. How much pain do these cause you guys? These fucking hurt. I fucking hate. Anyways. This is the bike. TTR 230. You notice a blue 230? And a blue 230 here. Oh, Hokakia Ford tractor. Look, I don't care what kind of Japanese shit. It says Ford on it, so we bought it. But it's a little tractor. And you got your Troy built. Oh yeah, that's the. These bitches are badass. The warning label was like in there. It was a bitch to get these on too. Like I had to move all this, like the brake thing, fluid. You know what? Fuck it. Brake. Had to move it all down so I could put this part on. So I had to like kind of wrap it in there. And then I was able to move it back up and then like put this down, like, and it's like all even. Looks a whole lot better. This side, I still gotta, the clutches are super loose, so I still gotta fix that. But it shouldn't be hard. But yeah, it looks fucking badass. But yeah, I mean that's that. That's really all there is to it. I've fucked up my fenders. There's the warning label for them. It's own risk, handguards do not prevent injury in event of a crash. Well, ain't that a bitch? Where the fuck do you think you're going? Where you going, Rhea? Yeah. You ain't going no fucking where, bitch. Get the fuck out of here. Fucking retard. Anywho. Now ain't that some shit. He finished the whole thing. We didn't even put one right here. That's a motherfucker. That fucking leaf was moving like it was on crack. What do you want, stupid ass? But yeah, that's the video. Dope ass bike. Got it fixed. It looks great. All I need now is front sprocket, new back sprocket, new chain, and a new case. It broke off. I need a new foot peg. This is bent as fuck. But yeah, overall that. Some new hand grips. We need those too. Those are nasty. But yeah, other than that, it looks pretty sick. I have to say. Looks pretty fucking sick. Oh, there's my light up there. I gotta put that on. It's a dope light. But I'll have to put that back on later. But yeah, that's me, and I'm out.